Did you know your Windows PC has some hidden tricks that can make your life easier? Let's dive into 5 features you probably didn't know about it. Number 1. Clipboard History. Window K plus V. Save multiple copied texts instead of just one. Number 2. Windows Snap. It means window K plus row keys. Quickly organize windows with shortcut keys. Feature number 3. Built-in screen recorder with window K plus J. Use Xbox game bar to record screen without extra software. Number 4. Nightlight mode. Reduce eye strain at night by enabling this feature. Number 5 and last one, virtual desktops. Window K plus Ctrl plus G. Organize tasks and switch between workspaces easily. Which one did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.